Good afternoon, Pirates, and welcome to CPTV, Charlestown Pirate Television Report. It's Wednesday, December 1st, and I'm Donnie Rourke.
And I'm Mariah Holt. Stay tuned for the latest news and information for Charlestown High School. Coming up next.
The Pirate basketball program will host a Pro Shot Shooting Skills and Development Clinic on Monday, December 20th in the auxiliary gymnasiums of Charlestown High School. 2 sessions will be held for the youth instruction on the Pro Shot shooting system. The cost for one session is $30, but both sessions can be registered for $50. The clinics are for youth currently in grades 4th through 8th.
The next sale for the Key Club fundraiser will be on December 10th, so save up your money for some delicious donuts and cappuccinos. Give any Key Club members your suggestions for the next sale. The National Honor Society announces the annual Winter Formal Dance will take place on Saturday, December 18th.
A workshop for senior students called Financing Your Future is coming up this Saturday. Students will learn how to calculate the cost for college, tips for scholarships, and information about filing for the FAFSA, and how changes in family finances can affect aid eligibility. The workshop is open to all college-bound students and parents regardless of which college you plan to attend. If you will be attending this event, it's Saturday at 9:30 a.m. at Indiana University Southeast. Call 941-2246 if you plan to attend.
The Miles for Mary Miracles event is this Saturday in New Albany. It's a 5K run or walk. Entry fee is the purchase of an angel on the Salvation Army Angel Tree. Check out the MaryMiracles.com website for more information.
There will be an FCA meeting this Friday, December 3rd at 3 p.m. in Miss Morrison's room, A221. This will be the last meeting before Christmas break.
The best way to get your announcements on the CPTV report is to have a teacher email it to Mr. Gross. Or you can bring the announcements to room A102 between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. daily. Please get the announcement to us 3 days in advance if possible.
The latest Charlestown weather forecast plus your local sports coming up after the break.
Good afternoon, I'm Alante Weathers with a look at the Charlestown weather forecast. Tonight's partly cloudy skies with a low around 25. And tomorrow, occasional snow flurries developing with the high of 43. And tomorrow night, partly to mostly cloudy with a low of 28. And Friday, times of sun and clouds with a high of 45. And that's a look at your Charlestown weather. Now here's the latest sports with Andy Stidham.
Good afternoon, I'm Andy Stidham, and here's the latest Charlestown High School sports. Congratulations to the girls swim team competing in their home invitational. First place finishers were Katie Burkhart, Sarah Trotter, Lindsay Blackwell, and Kendall Phipps in the 200 free relay. Kendall also won the 50 and 100 free. Katie Jenkins finished third in the 500 free. The Pirate wrestling team is back in action Saturday, December 4th when they travel to Evansville Reitz. The Pirates boys basketball team travels to Scottsburg this Friday. JV tips at 6 p.m. with the varsity contest immediately following. Pirate Pride Sports Broadcasting will cover the game live beginning at 7:15 p.m. And that's a look at sports. A final word from the newsroom is next.
A great way to say happy birthday to your friend or special someone is with a CPTV birthday greeting. Simply bring in 6 pictures and $3 to room A103 in the business wing, anytime between 11:26 and 2:02 p.m., and we'll get that special announcement on the CPTV report. Please bring your pictures in at least 2 days in advance, if possible. Now you're up to date with the latest CPTV news, weather, and sports. I'm Mariah Holt.
And I'm Donnie Rourke. Have a great day, Pirates, and thank you for watching the CPTV report.